You really put all of that into that. Louise, what do you think of Emily's song of the series?
Emily, I loved that song. The tone of your voice in that lower register at the beginning is just so stunning. It's almost completely different to what you like up there, and it's just a really lovely contrast. Just be careful with your mic control. Sometimes you did have it, and then other times it was a bit shrill, it was a bit too close, so just try and be consistent with the mic control, because you do know what you're doing with it. I think you just maybe forgot once or twice. But the softness at the end was gorgeous as well, and those top notes, girl, you hit those spot on, so well done, really good performance.
Woo, 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 woo. Anya?
Oh wow, do you know what? That is a million times better than the last time we sang it. That was absolutely phenomenal. And I think that's actually the best that I've heard you, to be honest, because it showed off pretty much everything. You sang it so beautifully, and there was these really nice little subtle changes, like here and there, that really made it yours. And then obviously at the end, when you completely sort of done a 360 and you were like, you sang it sort of different to everyone else. I really, really enjoyed that, and that's all I can say because I'm quite speechless, to be honest. But yeah.
Kelly?
Do you know, it's the good thing about picking a song of the series is we get to see how much you've grown, and you could really, really see the growth in the way that you performed that. You had a lot more fight in it, you put a lot more passion into it, and you played with it a little bit more, and your vocal control has improved so much. It was just really lovely to hear how far you'd come, remembering how you sang it the first time and to how you're singing it now. I mean, and that song suits you so, so well. You really sort of like connect with it and put everything you've got into it, and that really sort of captivates an audience. That's really what you want to do with a song, is, you know, get the emotion and convey that, and you absolutely nailed that. It was beautiful. You should be proud of yourself. It was really beautiful. Well done. Thank you.
Emily, yeah, I mean, wow, this is why that is your song of the series. Song of the series. It's so raw. And I'm so glad. I remember when we went back to that, and you was like, I never heard of that. I mean, this was like, oh, I love this, you know, because you knew you could connect to it, and that's exactly what we're seeing now, and that's why I think for all of us when we picked this was definitely a song of the series. Honestly, that was like 12 times better than last time. And last time was a standout, but you really seem to add more grip on where you wanted to go vocally with it. And that last note, you took up even more this time. I was like, whoa, she's going up even higher. Like literally, that was just a powerhouse of a performance. That was so powerful. I was watching the speakers thinking, whoa, she's really pushing them. She's pushing them speakers. And honestly, it's such an honour to have you in this process. And like I said, we've had this gap, but I'm so, so glad. And you were so well worthy of being at the end of this, 100% hands down, because I've seen so much from you and so much guts. You know, I do think you are the powerhouse in this category. You know, you are the powerhouse, you know. You all offer different things, but you are a belter. And you just did it really, really, really well. Honestly, really, really proud and feel really honoured. Wow. Well done.
Thank you.
Round of applause for Emily, guys. Round of applause. Well done, girl. Awesome stuff.